to describe my master, I would rather say that maybe the three words that best describe it may be friends. So I have been able to make a lot of friends, and plus I would say international, because my class was made of people coming from several countries in the world. And then the last word is learning, because actually during the master you have to do a lot and you can learn by doing. What made my master unique was for sure the possibility to have some project work starting from the first days of the masters, and so we have been able to develop the soft skills of teamwork. And also I would rather add that my classmates were coming from several different countries, and also we did different bachelor degrees, so each one of us has different mindset and approach to each project work. Plus, I would mention also the possibility to learn from professors that were coming both from companies and universities, so that you can get a different perspective, and also you can develop some connections to get through the job market. During the masters I have been able to develop some skills that are actually really helpful in the job that I'm actually doing. So I would say that doing courses in project management and also digital innovation waves plus digital infrastructure has been really helpful in my actual job, because I work as a project management officer and a functional analyst for a consulting firm, and these classes have been really helpful, because you get not only a theory perspective but also you get deep dive into the actual projects.